In this video, we will explore everything about Forex trading, including the basics, how trading works, key concepts, and important details. I will try to provide you with all the essential information related to Forex trading. What is Forex? Did you know? The Forex, foreign exchange market, is the world's largest financial market, where currencies are traded. It is also known as the FX market or currency market. In Forex trading, currencies are exchanged against each other, and the main goal is to make a profit from fluctuations in exchange rates. Forex market basics. What is traded in Forex? Currencies are traded in pairs, such as Euro versus US dollar, GBP per USD, British pound versus US dollar, USD per JPY, US dollar versus Japanese yen. How does Forex trading work? You buy one currency and sell another. For example, if you think the value of the euro will rise against the US dollar, you buy the EUR/USD pair. If your prediction is correct and the euro's value increases, you make a profit. If your prediction is wrong and the euro's value decreases, you face a loss. Forex market hours. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, because it is a global market working across different time zones. Who participates in Forex trading? Retail traders, individual traders who trade Forex to earn profits. Banks, large financial institutions that control a significant portion of Forex trading. Corporations, companies that use Forex for international transactions. Governments and central banks, they intervene in the Forex market to control exchange rates. Size of the Forex market. The Forex market has a daily trading volume of around $7 trillion, making it the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. This means that trades are executed quickly and efficiently, and there is always a buyer or seller available. Why do people trade Forex? Profit opportunities. The Forex market is highly volatile, meaning currency values change frequently, providing traders with opportunities to make profits. Leverage. Forex brokers offer leverage, allowing traders to control large positions with a small investment. Example, if you have $100 and your broker provides 1 to 100 leverage, you can trade with $10,000. 24-hour market. Unlike the stock market, Forex trading is available 24 hours a day, so you can trade at a time that suits you. High liquidity. The Forex market is highly liquid, meaning you can buy or sell your position at any time without significant delays. Key terms in Forex trading. PIP, percentage in point, the smallest price movement in a currency pair. Example, if EUR/USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1001, it is a 1 pip movement. Lot, the trade size in Forex. A standard lot equals 100,000 units. There are also mini and micro lots. Spread, the difference between the buy price and the sell price of a currency pair. This is how brokers make money. Leverage, a tool that allows traders to control larger trades with a small investment. It increases both profits and risks. Margin, the amount of money needed to open a trade. Risks in Forex trading, high volatility. The Forex market can be unpredictable, leading to potential losses. Leverage risk. Leverage can increase profits, but if the market moves against you, losses can be significant. Lack of knowledge. Beginners often lose money because they don't understand how the market works. Emotional trading. Fear and greed can cause traders to make bad decisions, leading to losses. How to start Forex trading? Step 1. Learn the basics. Understand concepts like pips, lot size, leverage, and spreads before you start trading. Step 2. Choose a reliable broker. Select a trusted Forex broker that offers low spreads, good leverage, strong security. Step 3. Open a demo account. Practice trading with a demo account before investing real money. Step 4. Use risk management. Set stop-loss orders to limit losses. Use proper lot sizes to manage risk. Final thoughts. Forex trading can be profitable and exciting, but it is also risky without proper knowledge and discipline. If you want more details on any specific aspect of Forex trading, let me know. If you found this video helpful, like the video, it motivates us to create more content. Share it with others who might find it useful. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.